Greetings and welcome to Miami Kitchen 74, the home of delicious mouth-watering, tasty dishes. Easy and quick to prepare. No more wahala. Just easy and cheap recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a vegetarian dish. Aubergine. Some people they call eggplants. Join me in my kitchen so that you can watch what I'm talking about. Believe me, it's gonna be so quick. Thank you. Enjoy the vlog. Ciao. Guys, if you don't know aubergines, these are aubergines. First of all, I'm going to cut my aubergine in a bit thicker slices. The shape of the slices is your choice, but don't forget to make them a bit thicker than thinner. Watch this video until the end. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, share it with others, and also don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. After cutting, I'm going to put my aubergines on in a baking tray, and I'll rub some oil both sides. These aubergines will go in the oven, and I'll add a bit of salt. While I'm waiting for my aubergine, that will take at least 5 minutes or more, I will slice my red pepper. These are like preparing some of my ingredients I'm going to use. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know by commenting. Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you are watching me from. I would like to know where most of my subscribers do watch me from. Thank you very much for your support and everything, your love. Wow, your comments, I really appreciate. Thanks for the support. Thanks for all the viewers. Thanks for all returning and new subscribers. Thank you. Now I'm gonna cut some spring onions, as you can see, just to add more flavor to my dish. I will also use some fresh tomatoes. Guys, this dish, as I said before, is very tasty, and the flavors of all the ingredients and seasoning that makes this dish very special. I love garlic, guys. That's why you see me, I always use a bit more garlic. I like the flavors. I love everything with garlic. So I'm gonna add my garlic, the special one. This dish, as you can see, doesn't have a lot of ingredients. I love making some of my dishes a bit simple, just few ingredients, but superb. In an empty pan, I'm going to add some olive oil. Then add some red pepper. I'll fry some red pepper first before anything. That will take me on a few minutes. Then I'll add some tomatoes. I'll make sure the tomatoes are well cooked. Guys, these tomatoes are very nice and juicy, so I know I won't go wrong. Then I'll add a pinch of salt and continue to saute my tomatoes and red pepper. Now I'm going to add my spring onions. I love adding spring onions at the end part of my dish because I don't like them to get overcooked. So I'll continue to saute until they are done according to how I want. Then lastly, I'm gonna add my garlic, meaning that parsley is left in the dish. Continue watching so that you can see what I'm going to do. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Share with others. For seasoning, I'll add oregano spice, chili flakes, and not forgetting black pepper. That's also one of my special seasoning in my kitchen. Then I'll continue to mix until it's well mixed. Guys, if you've got any other question, please don't hesitate to ask me by dropping a comment down below. Please, I'll attend to your question. Now I will add some aubergine or eggplants in the sauce I've been preparing. So I will mix well everything. Guys, look at our dish. So tasty, very, very nice. Please try this recipe at home for your loved ones. As I said, you are going to thank me later. Thank you very much for your support. I'll call it ongoing support. Thank you very much for helping me to grow this channel. But I know, guys, that this channel sooner or later will grow. Continue to support me. Now I'll just sprinkle some parsley to add flavor and also just as a garnish. Guys, tell someone, that one, your sister, your friend, about Miami Kitchen 74. Our dish looks like is almost done. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time. Continue to watch some or other videos in my channel. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.